FPC, flexible printed circuit, manufacturing process involves many critical steps that can impact the quality of the final product. Here are some ways to control the quality of FPC manufacturing process. 1. Material selection. Choose high-quality materials, including copper foil, adhesive, coverlay, and flexible substrate. Make sure the materials meet the required specifications and standards. 2. Design review. Perform a comprehensive review of the FPC design to identify any potential issues or defects that may affect the quality of the final product. 3. Process control. Implement the process control system to monitor the manufacturing process and identify any issues that may arise. This includes monitoring parameters such as temperature, humidity, pressure, and time. 4. Inspection and testing. Conduct inspections and tests throughout the manufacturing process to ensure that the FPC meets the required specifications and standards. This includes visual inspection, electrical testing, and mechanical testing. 5. Training and certification. Provide adequate training to employees involved in the manufacturing process to ensure they are familiar with the required standards and procedures. Also, ensure that the employees are properly certified to perform their tasks. 6. Quality management system. Implement the quality management system to ensure that all aspects of the manufacturing process are controlled, monitored, and continuously improved. This includes documentation, record keeping, and corrective actions. By following these measures, you can ensure that the FPC manufacturing process is controlled, monitored, and meets the required standards, resulting in high-quality FPCs.